To enable or disable count list items screen reader in Samsung Galaxy S10, open settings. Swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen. And then tap settings. Scroll down. Tap accessibility. Tap screen reader. Tap settings. Tap verbosity. On count list items, tap switch until blue to enable or tap until gray to disable. If you enable, when there's a list of items on the screen, read aloud the number of items. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.